Beaks in birds. Birds use their beaks as a tool to catch and eat their food. They also use it to comb their feathers. This is called preening. The shape of their beaks depends largely on the kind of food they eat. Birds like eagles and vultures eat the flesh of other animals and birds. These birds have a sharp, hooked beak that helps them to tear the flesh. Bee hummingbirds have long, straw-like beaks that help them to drink nectar from flowers. Birds that eat nuts and seeds, such as sparrows, have strong, short, cone-shaped beaks to crack open the seeds. Aquatic birds such as ducks have broad and flat beaks that help them to sieve the muddy water. Birds like woodpeckers have strong, chisel-shaped beaks that help them to drill holes in the tree trunks.